Hey there friends, let's play with a new tool, or a tool that's new to me, called Moovly. When you go to Moovly, first thing we need to do is sign up. So at www.moovly.com, I'm going to hit the login button and I am going to use my Google account. Sign in as Kid Harmon. I'm going to agree and I'm going to update. You can watch the tutorial if you want, but if you're watching this, you probably already know I'm going to teach you a little about it. And then I would just like to make holiday and personal videos, and I'd like to get started. Cool things they share, but I'm going to take you right to Create Move, and I'm going to create a fun card, and it's going to be about Happy New Year. It takes me to the blank screen, and I have to hit Edit Move to get into the editor. Once again, if you want to do the tour, you may. I'm going to just skip the tour, and I'm going to start building. Let's start with the libraries. I'm going to switch from infographics to motion graphics. And I'm going to grab this cool fire and drop it on. It notes that it's transparent, which works in Chrome and Firefox. I don't have to worry about that because I'm using Chrome. And then when I hit play, I have all of a sudden got cool animated flames. I think I'm going to make this into a promo card for my class. So I'm going to use text. And I'm going to put my classroom Twitter. So I click and type at HLModTech. If you make a mistake, like I just dragged the background, you simply undo. I can click on that text. I can pick a cooler font. I'm going to choose Pacifico. I'm going to make it larger. I'm going to make it a cooler color. I mean, these are all just the simple things that you should recognize from other times. You can just also stretch it by hand, which is super cool. I'm going to change where it shows up. It was scheduled to show up after several seconds. I want it to show up real quick. And then when I hit play, bam, at HLModTech appears just like you'd expect. Let's make that even more cool though. I'm going to change the color to a red because that matches the project a little better. And then let's go down to the, because it's selected, and add animation button. And there are many cool ones to pick from. I'm going to use the drag hand in. And now when I hit play, it pushes at HLModTech into the screen, which is way more cool. Because of the flames, I think I need to add an It's Lit. And I'm going to make that show up halfway through the screen. I'm going to stretch it out just like I did the other one. I'm going to pick another cool font from the list. I like this one called Fan Scene. That's kind of funky. I'm going to pick a color for it. I'm going to go with a orange this time. I'm going to click on its animation choices, and I want it to fly in. So many things for you to pick from, and let's see how that looks real quick. Ooh, I like how this is coming together. You'll notice this wasn't long enough with the banner, so I'm going to stretch it out. And now I'm going to add one little piece to my cool 10-second video. I'm going to add some music. I'm going to use the Upload Media button, and I've got a folder called Royalty-Free Music. I am going to use the Bensound dubstep clip and just simply upload it into my library. I'm going to slide my marker all the way back to the beginning, and I'm going to drop the Bensound dubstep onto the project. Let's test that really quick with the music. There it is fading in. Ooh, I think that's got a lot of potential, so I'm going to pause it. And then I need to add music credits, so I'm going to add some more text out here, and I am going to copy that. I'm going to click the new location, and I'm going to right-click paste. So it just can make things a little faster. You'll notice that now there are two HLMod text down here, and when I grab them, I can move it to where it goes. I want to put the next one down here, and see how it still says HLModTech, but this time I want to say music credits. And watch this, I can press enter and type the rest on this line and put in the Bensound dubstep. And then I'm going to shrink it, move it, and then also let me just show you quickly, you can make it so it's centered, which looks cooler. And I'm going to change the color just to make it look a little more interesting as well. And I'm going to use the recent colors and stick to the orange. I'm going to change that animation by simply clicking the animation button. And this time I'm going to make it fade in. Let me show you real quickly how to see your whole project. You see how I've got way more music than I need? This slider allows me to adjust that scale. I'm going to go right here to where the end of the clip will be, and then I'm going to click up on that music track, and I'm going to right click and split it, click on the piece I don't want, and delete it. Let's look down at my last little bit here. You can see that I run out of flames, so I'm going to stretch the flames so they match the music. And I am done, and I'm going to hit File Save. And then after saving, you can close the little editor. And then when you back out, you'll notice that you don't have any moves yet, but if you just wait a moment, your move will appear. And there is my awesome fun card. And I can hit play and check out just how cool it is turned out. Here's my only disappointing part is there are no free renders, so I can't even get an SD quality. It asks you to upgrade that. So that is a bummer, but it does allow me to publish it to the gallery, the YouTube, or the Facebook. I have clicked the YouTube option, and I did agree that it was my stuff, but I have not seen it show up on my YouTube channel yet. Maybe that will work for you. But hey, it is pretty awesome and fun, so I hope you enjoyed making your own movie. I will try publishing to the other places in a minute, and hopefully there'll be a movie later showing how it worked.